Bonjour et bienvenue. In this video, we will discuss about les nombres cardinaux, which means the cardinal numbers, and les nombres ordinaux, which means the ordinal numbers in French. So what are the cardinal numbers? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And what are the ordinal numbers? These are first, second, third, fourth, fifth and so on. So in this video, apart with the numbers of course in French, I will also let you know how to frame these les nombres ordinaux from les nombres cardinaux. A specific pattern is there to form these ordinal numbers from the cardinal numbers. A pattern or a rule is there. So let's begin with the number 1, which is a cardinal number. Is how to say 1 in French. It's and it's taking the nasal sound Now this number is the only exceptional case in the ordinal number where we don't use any pattern or rule. So here is the only exceptional case. So the ordinal number is how to say first, it's premier. It's premier. So all the ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth are adjectives. So as you may know, all the adjectives in French must correspond with the gender of the noun. So here we have the premier is the masculine form and the feminine form will be première, which means the first form, masculine form, you will use with the nouns which are masculine in nature, like how to say the first floor. So étage is masculine. So with the masculine noun you will say le premier étage, la premier étage. Similarly, première, which is the feminine form of the number, you have to use that number with the feminine noun, feminine gender noun. So premier, première, both refers to first masculine and feminine, premier, première. So premier, première. Now from number 2, you will find some pattern. So how to say number 2 in French? De. X will not be pronounced. De. Now onwards, you will see while converting into the ordinal number, what we will do? We will add IEME. IEME, this is the ending. We will add IEME to the cardinal number, and then we get the ordinal number. The and EM, deuxième. So this ending is required to make the ordinal number. So just we will add IEME to the cardinal number, then we get the ordinal number. So deuxième. Now the number 3, how to say? It's trois. Again, S is not to be pronounced. Final consonant letter is hardly to be pronounced in French. So trois. How to say number 3rd? Again, you have to add IEME in the number. So trois and EM. So troisième. Now from the number 4, you can notice when the number is already ending with a vowel E, how the pattern changes. Now you can see. So the number 4 is how to say? Quatre. Here the number is ending with a vowel E. So when the number ends with a vowel E, what you have to do? You have to drop that E while converting into the ordinal number. Quatre, Q-U-A-T-R. Okay, so you have to drop the final ending, means the final vowel of the number, and then you have to add IEME. Quatrième. So quatrième. This rule you will use, this technique you will use only when the number ends with the vowel E. So here, quatre, so you have to drop E and you have to add the ending. IEME will remain the same throughout the ordinal number concept. So it will be quatrième. Now the number 5, very special case is there. Now you can notice how to say number 5 is cinq. So here you have to add a vowel. This number is the only special case where you have to add the vowel. Add the vowel U. Before you have to add the ending IENE. So sank and then CINQ, U, and then you have to add the ending SACIEM. SACIEM. This U is compulsory when you are means like converting the number, this ordinal number from the cardinal number. SACIEM. SACIEM. Now, how to say number 6? Seize. Seize. So the pronunciation exactly like the English word seize. Seize. X here you have to pronounce. Seize. Seize. So the same pattern you have to use only IEME. Cesium. 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 Seize and cesium. Now the number 7. How to say? Sept. Sept. Here T is also to be focused in pronouncing this number when you are using this number individually. Sept. Sept. Now when you are like converting the ordinal number 7th, how to say? Septième. Septième. Again the IENE pattern. Septième. Septième. Now the number 8, how to say? Wheat. Wheat. H will not be pronounced. H is considered as a semi-vowel in French, and we hardly pronounce that vowel H if the word is beginning with that vowel. Wheat. T you will focus but not H. Wheat. So the same pattern. Wheatium. Wheatium is 8th. Wheatium. Now the number 9, a slight difference is there. So you have to notice some numbers need to be focused, like the number 5. So here the number 9. So the spelling of 9 is Nuff. Nuff. N-E-U-F. Nuff. While converting into the ordinal number, this F will be changed to V. So here it goes Navien. 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 Okay, so the only difference is apart with the IEME you have to add, it's compulsory, but F will be converted into V. Navien. Navien. Nuff, first sound, and in the ordinal number V, Navien. Navien. Now the number 10, same pattern like we are using earlier. So the number 10 is these. These. So the like the English word these you have to pronounce in the same manner. These. So the dixième, number 10th, dixième, dixième, same IEME, dixième, dixième. Now from 11 onwards, you can notice what we have used the technique in the number 4. Same pattern we will use here. So how to say number 11 is onze, onze. Here notice this number also ends with a vowel E like the number 4, quatre. So when the number is already ending with a vowel E, what you will do? You will remove that vowel E and then you will add the ending. So how to say number 11th? Onze is 11. So how to say number 11th? Onzième. Onzième. You have dropped that E of the number 11, of the cardinal number. Onzième. Onzième is the 11th. How to say 12th? Sorry, how to say only number 12? We are referring to cardinal number. So douze, douze, douze. This also, this number is also ending with a vowel E. So you have to drop that E and you have to add the ending IEME. So here it goes douzième. Sorry, douzième. Douzième is the number 12th. This is a wonderful technique and pattern to learn the spelling as well. Learn and remember the spelling as well. Douze, douzième. Douze and douzième. Now the number 13 is treize. 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 Again, it is ending with a vowel E. So you have to drop. So, and you have to add the ending IENE. So treizième. Treizième is the number 13. Treizième. Treizième. Now the number 14 is quatorze. Quatorze. Again it is ending with a vowel E. Quatorze. So while converting into the ordinal, drop the E again. So quatorzième. quatorzième, quatorzième. So the reason behind this may be because we are using double vowel together, maybe. So quatorzième, quatorzième. So quatorzième. Now the number 15 is quinze, again ending with a vowel E, quinze. So the ordinal number will be quinzième, dropped the E of the quinze, quinzième, quinzième. Number 16 is seize, seize. And how this number is also ending with a vowel E. So while converting into the ordinal number, you have to omit that E, seizième, seizième, seizième. So from 11 to 16, all the numbers are ending with the vowel E. So you have to drop that E while converting into the ordinal number. Now the number 17, how to say dix-sept, dix-sept. So again a wonderful technique when you have to remember this number dix-sept. So the number 17, D is 10 and sept is 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17. Dix-sept, dix-sept. Now how to frame like we have done in the number 7. So the same pattern, dix-sept, 17th, dix-septième, dix-septième, dix-septième. Simply you have to add I-E-M-E. So dix-septième. Now the number 18 is again very interesting pattern in the number dix-huit, dix-huit. Dix which means 10 and huit which means 8. 10 plus 8 equals to 18. So here we go, dix-huit. And why we are pronouncing it as dix-huit, as the number dix is ending with a consonant X and the number 8 is beginning with a vowel H, and there is a rule, we have to link the vowel and the consonant. Dix-huit. So here we go, the pronunciation. X sound is mixed with the H vowel sound. Dix-huit. Dix-huit. Number 18. How to say 18th? Dix-huitième, dix-huitième, dix-huitième. How to say number 19? Again the same technique. Dix-neuf, dix-neuf. 10 plus 9. Neuf is 9. Dix-neuf, 19. Dix-neuf, dix-neuf. How to say 19th? So the same which we did in converting the number 9 to the 9th, same we will do here. So dix-neuvième, dix-neuvième. F is converted to V again. So dix-neuvième, dix-neuvième. Now the number 20 is, how to say number 20 is vingt, vingt. T is completely omitted and N will take the nasal sound. Vingt, vingt. And how to frame this ordinal number again? You have to add I-E-M-E as it is ending with a consonant. So vingtième, vingtième is the 20th. Vingtième, vingtième. Similarly, from 21, 22, 23, like these numbers, you can convert in the same manner. You have to use I-E-M-E in the cardinal numbers and then you get the ordinal numbers. If the numbers are ending with a vowel E, then you have to drop that E and use I-E-M-E. Some special cases are there. Number 5, number 9, where you have to change some letters. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, so please do share it with French language learners and do subscribe this channel as well. So hope to meet you soon in my another next video. Till then, take care. Au revoir.